Hello everyone and welcome to Module 1 of Lesson 8. Today, we'll explore the importance of defining project activities. Clearly defining these activities is critical for achieving project objectives, enabling effective planning, and facilitating communication and collaboration within the team. Let's dive into the key reasons why defining project activities is essential for project success. The first reason is that defining project activities establishes a clear understanding of the work required to achieve project objectives. Clarifies the work needed to achieve objectives. By breaking down the project into specific activities, we clarify exactly what needs to be done. This clarity helps everyone involved understand their roles and the tasks they need to complete. Easier to assign responsibilities and estimate resources. When activities are clearly defined, it becomes easier to assign responsibilities to team members and estimate the necessary resources, such as time, budget, and materials. Defining project activities also enables effective planning. Identifies dependencies and sequence of tasks. By outlining the activities, we can identify dependencies and the sequence of tasks. This helps in creating a realistic project schedule and ensures that tasks are completed in the correct order. Allocates resources efficiently. With a clear understanding of the activities, we can allocate resources more efficiently, ensuring that the project has the necessary support at each stage. Lastly, defining project activities facilitates communication and collaboration. Reduces confusion with clear roles and responsibilities. Clear definitions reduce confusion by specifying who is responsible for what. This clarity helps prevent misunderstandings and overlaps in work. Enhances coordination among team members and departments. When everyone understands their roles and the activities required, coordination among team members and departments is enhanced. This leads to smoother project execution and better teamwork. In conclusion, defining project activities is vital for establishing a clear understanding of the work needed, enabling effective planning, and facilitating communication and collaboration. By breaking down the project into specific tasks, we can assign responsibilities, allocate resources efficiently, and enhance coordination within the team. This foundational step is crucial for the success of any project. Now, let's delve into the specific steps involved in this process. These steps include reviewing the project scope, identifying major milestones, breaking down deliverables, defining activity dependencies, estimating activity durations, assigning resources, and developing the activity list. Let's explore each step in detail. The first step is to review the project scope. This involves understanding the project's objectives, deliverables, and boundaries. By thoroughly reviewing the scope, we ensure that all necessary activities are identified and aligned with the project goals. This step sets the foundation for all subsequent planning activities. Next, identify the major milestones of the project. Milestones are significant points or events in the project timeline, such as the completion of a key phase or the delivery of a critical component. Identifying these milestones helps in tracking progress and ensuring that the project stays on schedule. The third step is to break down the project deliverables into smaller, manageable activities. This process, known as decomposition, involves dividing the deliverables into tasks and subtasks. Breaking down deliverables helps in understanding the detailed work required and facilitates better planning and execution. Once the activities are identified, it's crucial to define their dependencies. This involves determining the sequence in which activities need to be performed. Dependencies can be finish to start to start, finish to finish, or start to finish. Understanding these dependencies ensures that activities are scheduled in the correct order. After defining dependencies, estimate the duration of each activity. Estimating activity durations involves determining how long each task will take to complete. Accurate duration estimates are essential for creating a realistic project schedule and ensuring timely project completion. The next step is to assign resources to each activity. Resources can include team members, equipment, materials, and budget. Assigning the right resources ensures that each activity has the necessary support to be completed effectively and efficiently. Finally, develop the activity list. This is a comprehensive document that includes all identified activities, their dependencies, durations, and assigned resources. The activity list serves as a detailed guide for project execution and helps in tracking progress and managing the project schedule. In conclusion, defining project activities involves a series of structured steps, reviewing the project scope, identifying major milestones, breaking down deliverables, defining activity dependencies, estimating durations, assigning resources, and developing the activity list. By following these steps, project managers can ensure thorough planning and effective execution, leading to successful project outcomes. Now, let's explore the tools and techniques that can help in this process. We'll cover the work breakdown structure, dependency determination, expert judgment, and estimation techniques. These tools and techniques are essential for detailed planning and successful project execution. The first tool is the work breakdown structure, WBS. The WBS is a hierarchical decomposition of the total scope of work to accomplish the project objectives and deliverables. Purpose: it breaks down the project into smaller, more manageable components or work packages. Benefits: the WBS helps in organizing and defining the total scope of the project, making it easier to assign tasks, estimate resources, and track progress. The next technique is dependency determination. This involves identifying the logical relationships between activities to determine their sequence. Types of dependencies: finish to start: the successor activity cannot start until the predecessor has finished. Start to start: the successor activity cannot start until the predecessor has started. Finish to finish: the successor activity cannot finish until the predecessor has finished. Start to finish: the successor activity cannot finish until the predecessor has started. Benefits: properly determining dependencies ensures a logical and efficient sequence of activities, preventing delays and bottlenecks. Expert judgment is another valuable technique for defining project activities. This involves leveraging the expertise of individuals or groups with specialized knowledge in the relevant subject area. Sources: experts can include project managers, team members, consultants, stakeholders, and industry specialists. Benefits: expert judgment helps in making informed decisions, estimating activity durations accurately, and identifying potential risks and issues early. The final set of tools includes estimation techniques used to predict the time, resources, and costs required for activities. Types of estimation techniques: analogous estimating uses historical data from similar projects to estimate durations or costs. Parametric estimating uses statistical relationships between historical data and other variables to estimate durations or costs. Three-point estimating uses three estimates, optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely, to calculate an average estimate. Bottom-up estimating involves estimating the cost or duration of each activity and then aggregating them to get a total project estimate. Benefits: these techniques provide a more accurate and realistic estimation, helping in effective planning and resource allocation. In conclusion, using the right tools and techniques for defining project activities is crucial for detailed and effective project planning. The work breakdown structure helps in organizing project scope, dependency determination ensures a logical sequence of tasks, expert judgment provides valuable insights, and estimation techniques offer accurate predictions of time, resources, and costs. Together, these tools and techniques facilitate thorough planning and successful project execution. Now, we'll discuss best practices that can help ensure the process is accurate, efficient, and effective. These best practices include involving the project team, using a systematic approach, keeping activities manageable, validating with stakeholders, and continuous review and update. Let's dive into these practices. The first best practice is to involve the project team in the process. Collaboration, engaging the team members who will be performing the activities ensures that their insights and expertise are considered. Ownership, when team members are involved in defining activities, they have a better understanding of their tasks and a greater sense of ownership, leading to higher commitment and accountability. Using a systematic approach is crucial for defining project activities. Structured methods, employ structured methods such as the work breakdown structure to ensure all project aspects are covered. Consistency. A systematic approach ensures consistency in how activities are defined and documented, making it easier to track and manage them throughout the project lifecycle. It's important to keep activities manageable. Granularity. Break down activities into manageable tasks that are small enough to estimate, assign, and track effectively. Avoid over-detailing. While details are important, avoid breaking activities down too much, which can lead to unnecessary complexity and micromanagement. Validating activities with stakeholders is essential. Feedback. Seek feedback from stakeholders to ensure that the defined activities align with their expectations and requirements. Approval. Obtain formal approval from key stakeholders to confirm that all activities are correctly defined and agreed upon. Continuous review and update of activities are necessary to adapt to changes. Regular reviews. Conduct regular reviews of the activity list to ensure it remains accurate and relevant. Adaptability. Be prepared to update activities as the project progresses and as new information or changes arise. In conclusion, following best practices for defining project activities, such as involving the project team, using a systematic approach, keeping activities manageable, validating with stakeholders, and continuously reviewing and updating, ensures that the project is well planned and executed smoothly. These practices help in creating a comprehensive and realistic activity list, leading to better project outcomes. Defining project activities is crucial for project success and involves several key steps and best practices. This process includes understanding the project scope, identifying major milestones, breaking down deliverables, defining dependencies, estimating durations, and assigning resources. Utilizing tools like the work breakdown structure and involving the project team ensures a systematic and collaborative approach, while continuous review and validation with stakeholders maintain alignment and adaptability throughout the project lifecycle. Thank you for your time, and we will see you in Module 2 of the Lesson 6. Also, thank you for the support. Like and subscribe to the channel.